Hey everybody, it's Jenny, and I am back to share how I'm planning this week in my medium-sized passion planner. Right here you can see the sticker book that I have put together in rainbow order. This is from a bunch of Happy Planner sticker books that I took apart and decided to sort the stickers by rainbow order. I purchased sticker sheets, like blank sticker sheets, and punched them, and now I've created a whole book that the stickers are in rainbow order. This is definitely not for everybody, but I absolutely love it since I mostly plan by color. This works out famously for me, and I absolutely love it. Have I already said that already that I love it? Anyway, I love it. It's working out great. Now, I don't use it all the time because I still have a ton of sticker books that are together, but it's working out great. I am currently looking for a sticker to use for my meal planning for the week. I usually put in my sidebar a list of what we're having for dinner each week, and so I need 7 lines and I need it to match. So that's what I'm doing right now, is looking for that. Now, I'm also going to be using that Better Together sticker book, and I'm going to be layering stickers. So you see that full box that I laid on its side, and then I have these women on top of it. I decided, instead of doing a traditional Thanksgiving week, that I was going to use the Better Together Happy Planner sticker book because I love the message and I love the diversity, and that's what I wanted to include this week. I just added the date stickers. These are from Sunshine Sticker Co., as are these month stickers. And this is the undated passion planner, so I add these teeny tiny itty bitty little date stickers up in the top, and so far so good. I am known to change up things all the time. I haven't stuck in one planner in a couple of years, but it's okay because I dig it, and that's all that really matters. So I'm going to put this second decorative element down in this lower right hand corner, also covering up that big blank section, and then layer another sticker up with the diverse women. I love that. So we've got the little cluster of 3 items, and then I need one more decorative element over on the left hand side so that I can have my visual triangle of decorative elements. Now, I'm going to layer another sticker with it. So what I'm trying to find is a gold sticker where the primary focus is gold. So that's, you can see why I'm going through this black, white, and gold sticker book right here to see if I find one that is good to layer behind the sticker that I got from the Better Together book. There's always a variety of options, and I have one in my DIY sticker book. You can see it right here with the plus signs. I just wanted to make sure that there wasn't one that I wanted to use instead. The plus signs one is absolutely perfect. I just didn't know if there would be something that I would prefer to use. So that is that. Now look, so you see my triangle. You could draw a triangle between those 3 different decorative elements, and I chose slightly larger ones this week because I knew with the Thanksgiving weekend I would not have a ton of plans, though it's sort of deceiving because you'll see in a little while I'll add a bunch of boxes, and I do have a bunch of plans, but it's just not going to have a ton of other stuff going on or ways that I can't be creative or that type of thing since it's Thanksgiving week. So I'm pretty happy about that. I think that it's going to end up quite well, and I look forward to putting all of those plans in here. But you can see, okay, so I'm going to trim the top off. This is what I was talking about for the meal planning. So I add this to that left side over there. Initially, I was looking for it and counting boxes, and then I decided to just come back to it in a little bit once I had chosen all of my decorative elements. I'm covering the text down there in the lower left. I don't have to. It doesn't really bother me or anything, but I don't use it for those purposes, so I just cover it because I can. I have washi that I like to use, so that's what I'm doing there. I like to partition those 2, or that big section, into 2. A section for to do, you can see I'm putting that there, and then a section for to buy. So I often through the week, like, oh, I need to buy whipping cream, oh, I need to buy pasta, whatever the case may be, and I jot it down there in my planner. Since I refer back to this almost every day, sometimes on the weekends I don't refer to it, but you get what I'm saying. During the week I'm referring to this a lot, so There you go. Now I'm adding that little rainbow to create the cluster of 3 because remember, your eye loves things in 3s. And if you're not going to do 3, 5 is a great alternative. Now I have going to look back and look at my plans from the week before because a lot of the things that we do are fairly repetitive. And so if I look back, I can kind of get a general idea of things that are going to go on this week. Now, most of the items that I have for this week are my son's work schedule. And I keep track of this really, to be perfectly honest, because A, I like to know when he's not going to be home, but B, for dinners as well, because if he's going to work through dinner, it helps me get a better gauge on what to serve that night. I'm sure some of you can relate. Things that he doesn't like as well, maybe I'll serve those nights that he's not there, or how much to make. Again, I'm sure some of you are feeling me. But so that's why I keep track of his work schedule. And again, with COVID going on right now, there's not a ton else going on. So it is acceptable to use bigger boxes to track his work schedule. Obviously, if we had a ton going on, I would probably use much smaller boxes to track his work schedule. So anyway, I'm just, again, still using the Better Together boxes. They are plentiful in here, and I have only used this book a couple of times, so I really have a ton of stickers, so I might as well go ahead and use them this week because they all coordinate together so beautifully. I use the column lines as suggestions. I definitely love to overlap. I kind of think of them as like magnetic lines. They snap to what I put in the columns. And so I really I'm digging that. I feel like the way that it all comes together at the end of the week is super cohesive when I do that. And again, that's all that really matters, is at the end of the week that I'm the one that really likes it. So that is it for me this week. Thank you so much for checking out my video. If you enjoyed it, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave a comment in the box below and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thank you so much and make it a great day.